Hey, how you doing? Mike Innovative Door. Have not made a video in quite some time, but here we are, 2018. It's almost June. Another couple days, and we're going to show you 16 by 7 3200 rosewood with Madison or jail bar glass. Don't ask me why I call it jail bar, but I do. And here we go. This one's complemented by an 8550 that the homeowner actually installed, believe it or not. And he installed it over here on the edge and did a little loop-de-loo on the arm, and then he custom made a bracket here to fit. The 3200 is 2 inches thick, 3.5 inch bottom rubber, all nylon skirted wheel, 11 gauge hardware, pinch resistant, which I love. And this one here's got 100,000 cycle springs, so these will probably never break in our lifetime. We squeezed her underneath the drywall here to get this to fit in, and it fit like a glove. We still have a lot of cleanup to do, but I want to make a quick video for all your garage door needs. Custom mounted openers. Call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and we will like you. Thank you for watching our 16 by 7 with insulated top glass side mount custom mounted opener rosewood 3200 garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.